Hi, this is John with WTI, and this is one of the drinks that I've been craving and drinking the whole summer. One of my friends put me on into sparkling water earlier this year, but now going into San Pellegrino sparkling waters, they just became my favorite. Flavor, no flavor, but it's in this flavor one of the best ones that they have. The Aranciata Rossa. I don't know if the pronunciation is right, but the smell it is. And the taste is much better. So one of the things that I like the most about this is not so sugary. You can actually feel some natural flavors in this. And I drink it all the time. Like if you want to make a drink or if you want to drink it just straight with ice and a little bit of herbal mints or any cocktail that you want to do, this just works great. So this is one of my favorite actual taste that I would get from sparkling water. And lately I've been doing this a lot with the sparkling water. It just tastes great. This is like an acquired taste, but it just tastes awesome. So if you're looking for a great drink to spend your summer nicely, make your cocktails and things like that, this is a great one. So this was John with WTI, and that's my point of view.